Alright, let's take a look at example 3. We have 9 times 10 to the negative 1. We want to convert that to standard notation. This one's going to be pretty easy. Let's go ahead and take a look. Alright, so for our first step, we need to move the decimal based on the exponent, left if it's negative, right if it's positive. The difference with this one is we don't really see a decimal place here. Now, fortunately, we already know that when there's no decimal listed, it's just to the right of that number. So the decimal is technically just to the right of that 9. Okay? And then for step 1, sorry, since the decimal's negative, the exponent's negative 1, we're just going to take this decimal and move it 1 to the left. Like so. Final answer is going to be 0.9. Okay? And like I said, it depends on who you talk to. You might put a 0 there to the left of the decimal. That's it for this one. Very simple. Just make sure you understand that there is a decimal just to the right of that digit 9. If you have any other questions about this example, let me know.